There's something happening in Weston Super-Mare this summer. Somewhere out at sea, a giant, hulking beast of our industrial past has been lurking. And now it's coming ashore. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you will know that I'm really into climate change and also translating complex climate science into, well, English. You may also have noticed that I am a massive weather nerd. Well, this project ticks all of those boxes. For the last 18 months, I've been working with a crack team of incredible people, led by New Substance, to create an immersive, engaging and creative public arts installation. And this summer, we're repurposing a retired North Sea rig, a sea monster, if you will. It's never been done before, and it charts new territory for the reuse and redesign of our industrial relics as we move into a more sustainable world. We're reimagining this behemoth of our industrial past, a fossil fuel monster from the North Sea, into a vision of the future, complete with gardens, waterfall, kinetic scales, renewable energy generation capacity, and engaging activities for anyone and everyone to get involved with. The rig has been temporarily plucked out of the decommissioning process and is being given a new lease of life as a public arts science installation. We've brought together a team of engineers, scientists, artists, designers, educators and technicians to transform this hulking beast into something we can all be proud of. The rig has been making its way towards the UK over the last couple of weeks, and tomorrow it's landing here on this beach. I am so friggin' excited. It arrived on a barge the size of a football pitch. And now you can see the monster emerging out of the sea. It's been unloaded and brought up the beach towards its new home in the iconic Tropicana, a former Lido and now an arts and culture hub on Weston Super-Mare's seafront. The final part of the journey is lifting the top side of the rig over the wall of the Tropicana, where it will be installed for the public to enjoy all summer long and into the autumn. We want the sea monster to spark new ideas about the reuse of our industrial structures and to start conversations about weather and climate, not just here in Weston Super-Mare, but all over the world. So if you're in the UK this summer, make sure you get down to Weston Super-Mare to see the sea monster in the flesh once it's finally installed. And if you're further afield, you can access our education and outreach materials online, and I'll put the link in the description. But before you think I've forgotten, don't worry YouTube gang, I will give you a behind the scenes tour when it's finally installed before it goes live.